Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation in Windows 11 when trying to install a specific program or application here in your laptop or a computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to open the small window called the Run. After that, please type for Regged Edit. Click on OK the moment you have typed it, and your user account control will ask you to say yes. The moment you have the click on OK, you just have to go with yes so that you would be able to give permission and running this registry editor window. Okay. So here you need to copy a path link which I'll be including at the description box below. So copy it, Control C to copy and paste it here at the address bar. So simply press Control V to paste and click on enter. Okay. So here at the Windows folder, okay. So if you have seen any of the existing key, which is installer here, just have to do a right click and go with delete. Again, if you have seen an existing installer key here aligning into Windows, just have to delete it and let's create a new one. Okay. So here at the Windows, please do a right click, go with new and go with key and named it into installer. Click enter. And the moment you have created such, proceed at the center of the screen. Please do a right click, go with new and go with the word 32-bit value and named it DisableMSI. Okay, so do a right click, go with rename and named it disable MSI, click enter, and change the value data into 0. How we can do so? Just have to double tap to it and change the value data into 0. Once done, turn on this hexadecimal and click on OK. And close all of this paths that we have just opened. Close the registry editor window as well and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed earlier, okay? So once you have restarted your computer, try to install again the application or program that you want to install here in your Windows or computer, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.